my big hand.
Viper, why you going crazy?
I can't ride stocks cause that disgust me. Had a plane giant watch, I had to bust it down. Had to clean old school and redid the guts. Hit her with that dope dick and redid her guts. I can't ride stocks cause that disgust me. Had a plane giant watch, I had to bust it down. Had to clean old school and redid the guts. Hit her with that dope dick and redid her guts. 75 caprice JFK got a bloody top. Spot of peanut butter leather and the double diamond stitching. Hit the gas, the duals roar like a jet through space. Every time I ride, my turbos whine like a shitty baby. Every time I cop another whip, I'm screaming Chevy gang. Roll ties all in my front yard, it's a Chevy thing. Every time I cop another whip, they like not another. Then I go and mount that bitch up like it's mandatory. I can't ride stocks cause that disgusts me. I mean literally, it turned my stomach. If it ain't come with shoes, then I got to mount it up. Cause riding on 6-6 is the law for us. I can't ride stocks cause that disgusts me. Had a plain Jane watch, I had to bust it down. Got a clean old school and redid the guts. Hit her with that dope dick, I redid her guts. What's up, YouTube? Dr. Drake had a flicker, man. He tuned in to another episode of Whips and Flaps. Alright, today, you guys, pretty sure y'all can hear the banging, the clanking back there. I've been getting a little noise of play, a little clanking, rattling when I shift from park or shift to shift into one of the gears on the 2000 Tahoe. So we I did one of these on the last truck I got. I don't think I got any footage, but hey, I did the universal joint, so that's going bad on the truck right now. So we done already got it off and diagnosed which one it was. It's the back one, the one in the back. So we out there now trying to get it off, get it going, and see is that gonna eliminate all the noise? Cause I got a little other noise too. It sound like the clanking coming from the U-joint, and I got some other little noise going on too, subtle little noise. But so gonna go and get this out the way so I could try to see what's going on with the other noises. So keep y'all updated and keep y'all posted on it.
My big hand. Yeah.
Have a tool to do that shit. Oh, you do? Yeah. Got the old one out. About to get the new one slapped in there. To get a press, you gotta get that press like on a workbench or something.
Yeah, you gotta have a workbench, but you gotta have the old ones work with just pressure. The new ones work with air pressure.
Mm. They look like could have been factory on.
Yeah, it must have been shit. All the goddamn bearings was gone in that motherfucker.
Take a long time for that to happen, huh?
Hmm?
Say take a long time for that to happen, huh?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Six whips last quarter, no car notes. Ever since my first pink slip, I was mountain chrome. Out of Jack bought a whip, ducking potholes. Put 63 a cane in the nose of the broom. I can't ride stocks cause that disgusts me. Had a plain Jane watch, I had to bust it down. Got a clean old school and redid the Gus. Hit her with that dope dick, I redid her Gus. I can't ride stocks cause that disgusts me. Had a plain Jane watch, I had to bust it down. Got a clean old school and redid the Gus. Hit her with that dope dick, I redid her Gus.